Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Another podcast about how to make money online or remotely. And in today's podcast, I want to continue what we started in a previous podcast about companies that offer great benefits, including working remotely and unlimited vacations, which is the most important thing in my opinion, because we don't get to take a lot of vacations if you work in any company. A maximum of 2 weeks, maybe up to 4 weeks in some companies. But today I'm going to talk to you about a second company that I found out that offers remote jobs and also unlimited vacations. And for those of you who are new here, this channel is all about working remotely, jobs, how to make money online, side hustles. So if that's something that interests you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so that you don't miss any of our future videos. And now let's get started with today's podcast. And the company that I'm going to talk about today is called Knack or Knack. So it's KNACK.com, and I'm going to leave the name in the description so that you can visit their website and take a closer look at what they offer and what they do. And this is basically a company that claims that they are building a huge team of remotely working professionals. They have so many jobs, and they have over 5,000 customers. They have built over 100,000 apps without coding needed, and they have over 10 billion records stored in their databases. They've worked with major companies such as Capital One, Harvard University, HP Computers, the Salvation Army, and many others. So you can check out their customers on their website. They build different stuff online and remotely. Again, mainly apps that they work with in a very simple way, so easy to learn how they do their job. And let's take a look at their current job openings and what they offer for that. So as soon as you hop on to work at Knack, you will see that they mention on the website that they are building a 100% remote team dedicated to maximizing their impact, continuously improving and enjoying the journey. So that's the first thing you see on work at Knack. And then if you scroll down on the same page, you'll see the benefits they offer for their jobs. And the first one is unlimited paid vacation. And it says take the time you need and stay motivated, charged, and balanced. You'll get required days off for birthdays and Knack anniversaries. They also have or offer paid corporate retreats. And it says there that they get together twice a year at amazing locations to do normal human being things in person. And the company pays for your flight, lodging, and meals, which is awesome. Nobody does that nowadays, but they do. They offer learning credits as well. It's an annual allowance is provided by the company to stay on top of your game with classes, books, and conferences, whatever you need. They offer healthcare coverage as well, health, vision, dental, covering 75% of the premium of your needs and your dependents' needs as well. They offer the 401k and give you the option to automatically deduct funds from your pay to stash them away for your golden years. So that's awesome. That's another company that offers really great perks and benefits for their employees. And the best thing about it is that it's all remote, so you don't have to be at a company headquarters or somewhere to report there and work from there. You work from home or from wherever you are and get all these benefits that, in my opinion, that's really great. Examples of jobs they're offering are technical support specialist, and that's an easy job. That's really easy. If you are into IT, information technology, or a graduate of IT school, you can easily do that job. They offer other jobs such as product leads. They also have customer support specialist jobs. Again, that's another easy one that you can do from home. And another thing I saw on their website is a senior cloud engineer jobs. That's a really good job as well, and many people have met in my life do this cloud engineering job. So this is a great opportunity for some of you, hopefully. And yeah, this is our second company that offers great benefits that I wanted to share with you. Go ahead and check out their website. Check the knack.com/careers, and I'm gonna leave that link in the description for you to make it easier to find the company. Now, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you worked for them or if you're planning to, and how did things go for you. And I'll see you in the next podcast with another company that offers great benefits that helps work remotely. Thank you for listening to the podcast today, and have a great day.